Show me how you vacuum, Jax. Show me how you vacuum. There you go. Good job. Show me how you vacuum. You know that it's not on, huh? Woo! Good job. Good job, buddy. Do you love to vacuum like your mom? Dog? Okay, keep vacuuming. Good job. Nice vacuuming. Love you. Bye-bye, Jax. Bye. See you later, vacuum boy. Oh.